If you have ever dreamed of harvesting plump, juicy tomatoes all the way into late autumn and even winter, this guide will give you the secrets to achieving the best yields ever. By following these tips, your tomato plants will thrive not only this year, but set the foundation for exceptional harvests in the years to come. August is a critical month for tomato cultivation, as the summer heat, ripening fruits, and potential diseases can make or break your crop. With careful care, precise feeding, and smart disease prevention, you can ensure that your plant produces abundant, flavorful fruits without succumbing to common pests or fungal infections. August is a month of both opportunity and challenge for tomato growers. The plants are at their peak, heavy with flowers and young fruits, while high temperatures and fluctuating moisture can stress them. The first step to a successful harvest is proper watering. Tomatoes need consistent moisture, especially during fruit development. Water deeply at the base of the plants, ideally in the morning to allow foliage to dry and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Avoid overhead watering in the evening, as wet leaves overnight create an ideal environment for pathogens like late blight and powdery mildew. A good rule of thumb is to provide about 1 to 2 liters of water per plant every 2 to 3 days, adjusting based on soil type and weather conditions. Sandy soils may require more frequent watering, while clay-heavy soils retain moisture longer. Additionally, applying water slowly over time rather than in a single heavy soaking encourages deeper root growth, which strengthens plants against heat stress and ensures better nutrient uptake. Soil fertility is crucial for strong growth and large fruits. In August, tomatoes need extra nutrients to support flowering and fruiting. A homemade fertilizer can be incredibly effective, using simple ingredients you likely already have. One popular recipe combines 1 liter of water with 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds and a handful of crushed eggshells. Stir the mixture thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours. Coffee grounds provide nitrogen, promoting leaf growth, while eggshells supply calcium, preventing blossom end rot and strengthening cell walls. Apply the solution to the base of each plant once a week. Another simple option is a mixture of 1 liter of water with 1 tablespoon of diluted molasses and a pinch of Epsom salt. Molasses feeds beneficial microbes in the soil, while Epsom salt provides magnesium, essential for chlorophyll production and fruit development. For larger plots, consider compost tea or worm casting steeped in water for several hours to produce a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer that boosts plant immunity and fruit size naturally. Pruning is another key practice in August. Remove lower leaves that touch the ground to reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases. Also, consider thinning the foliage to increase airflow around the fruits and prevent fungal infections. Pinch off any side shoots below the first flower cluster to concentrate the plant's energy on ripening existing tomatoes. Supporting heavy branches with stakes or cages prevents breakage and improves fruit quality. Healthy plants not only resist disease better, but also produce larger, more flavorful fruits. In addition, gently removing some of the smaller, weaker fruits can encourage the plant to focus its energy on producing fewer but larger, juicier tomatoes. August is notorious for fungal problems, especially late blight and powdery mildew. To prevent these, an organic fungicide can be prepared at home. Mix 1 liter of water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and a few drops of liquid soap. The baking soda alters the leaf surface pH, discouraging fungal growth, while the oil helps the solution stick to leaves. Spray the plants thoroughly every 7 to 10 days, and after any rain. Another effective natural fungicide is a milk spray. Combine 100 milliliters of milk with 1 liter of water and spray it on leaves. Milk contains proteins and enzymes that inhibit fungal growth and can help reduce existing infections when applied consistently. Spraying in the late afternoon allows the solution to work overnight without burning the foliage in strong sunlight. Additionally, keeping the garden clean of fallen leaves, decaying fruits, and plant debris is critical for reducing the source of fungal spores. In addition to fungal threats, pests are a constant concern. Aphids, whiteflies, and tomato hornworms can quickly devastate a crop if left unchecked. A simple homemade insecticide can help protect your plants. Blend 2 cloves of garlic with 1 liter of water, strain, and spray directly on affected areas. Garlic's natural sulfur compounds repel many insects. Alternatively, a chili pepper spray can be used. Soak 1 tablespoon of chopped hot peppers in 1 liter of water for several hours, strain, and spray on leaves. Both solutions are safe, organic, and effective for keeping pests at bay while not harming beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs. Encouraging natural predators, such as ladybugs and lacewings, can further enhance pest control. Planting companion plants like basil or marigolds nearby can also deter certain insects naturally and improve pollination. Mulching around the base of your plants in August has several benefits. Organic mulches such as straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and reduce soil splashing onto leaves, which can carry pathogens. Apply a 5 to 10 centimeters layer around each plant, keeping it a few centimeters away from the main stem to prevent rot. Mulching also moderates soil temperature, protecting roots during the hottest parts of the day and preventing stress-induced fruit drop. Additionally, using black plastic mulch in particularly hot regions can help maintain warmth at the root zone during cooler nights, extending the fruiting season. Monitoring fruit development is equally important. Tomatoes need adequate sunlight, so ensure that your plants are spaced properly to receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. Rotate fruits if possible. Gently turn them on the vine to expose all sides to sunlight and prevent uneven ripening. Harvest regularly. Picking ripe tomatoes encourages the plant to continue producing. Late August is also the ideal time to consider extending your harvest using simple methods. Covering plants with light row covers or shade cloth during extreme heat or unexpected cold snaps can help maintain fruit set and prevent stress that leads to cracking or sun scald. Inspecting fruits for early signs of rot or pest damage allows you to remove affected fruits before the problem spreads. By maintaining a vigilant care routine throughout August, you can ensure your tomatoes remain productive into fall. Fertilize weekly with either your homemade solution or a diluted organic liquid fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Watch for early signs of disease or pest damage and respond immediately with organic treatments. Consistency is key. A tomato plant under constant, gentle care will reward you with high-quality fruits and long-lasting productivity. The combination of proper watering, nutrient management, pruning, pest control, and disease prevention lays the groundwork for a truly remarkable tomato harvest. Keeping a garden journal to record what works and what doesn't help improve techniques over the years, leading to even more abundant harvests in subsequent seasons. In conclusion, August is not just another month on the gardening calendar. It is the month that determines the final success of your tomato crop. By paying careful attention to watering, pruning, feeding, and spraying, your plants will be strong enough to produce abundant, disease-free fruits.